Before, I thought nobody was using Cobol anymore, but now I know it keeps the world running. Follow Pacta Cobol training.
This video is both fun and surprisingly accurate. The image of a Yeti using an ATM to highlight the relevance of Cobol today is spot on. Despite being considered ancient by many, Cobol still powers much of the financial world, including ATMs, banks, and insurance systems. Pacta Cobol is working to bring this essential language back into the spotlight. Our mission is to make Cobol more accessible to the general public by offering affordable and easy-to-follow training options, even for complete beginners with no programming background. You can find many practical examples and beginner-friendly content on the Pacta Cobol YouTube channel. It's a great starting point for anyone curious about learning Cobol in a modern and engaging way. Visit cobol.pacta.com website